In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an admin to Mighty Networks. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top right and you want to click on this gear icon. And then from here, you want to go into members and then you want to go into member list. Now, of course, you must be signed in as admin to be able to actually do this. Here, as you can see, you'll be able to see your member list. And of course, to be able to add somebody as an admin, they first must be a member. So if you don't have them in your community yet, you can add them by going to invite up top and then basically selecting the invite code over here, kind of the link, and then you can invite them via this link and they'll be able to join your community. Now in here, to make them admin, again, I'm going to go back to the member list over here. There we go. You want to click on those three dots next to the person that you want to basically add as admin. Click on that, and then from here, scroll down. It's going to say change network role. Click on that, and from here, you want to add them as not a member, but either a network moderator or a host, okay? So, of course, that's completely up to you, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to make them host? So here it says network hosts can see and join any space in network, etc. So if you actually want to add them as host, or in that case, this is actually admin, you can click on yes over here and they're basically going to be set as admin or host of that network. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.